Did you know that you can move an entire Excel sheet from one file to another file in less than 10 seconds? Let me show you this quick festive tip. Merry Christmas. So this is how we're going to go about it. Stay till the end so that you understand every part of this, and I promise to keep it simple. Now, this is currently our workbook, and it is named Employee Sales Dataset. Now, in this workbook, we have one worksheet named Raw Data, and this is our worksheet. Now, we are trying to move this raw data, our worksheet, into another Excel file or Excel workbook to make it an additional sheet if there is an existing sheet in it before. Now, how do we move? First of all, we want to identify the Excel workbook we want to copy it into. So we need to also open that one. So we'll have two Excel files opened. Now we already have this one opened. Now I'm trying to bring the one that we want to move this one into. Now we go to our file. I know the file name that I want to copy this into. And if you're working on your own data too, you should know the file name you want to move a particular worksheet into. So currently, and you should know your file names. Now, this is employee sales data set. I want to move this into another file. Now, what file do I want to move it to? I want to move it to my Dirty Cafe Sales. Now I have my Dirty Cafe sale opened now. Then what I will do now is to come down to my Excel file and come back to my employee data set. Now I want to copy or move this into that one. So on your bottom left, under the named worksheet, you right click and you see different options: insert, delete, rename, move, or copy. This is what we want. So we click on move, copy. It's very, very important for you to stay till the end. Now, under this move or copy, we have this box showing us where we currently are, which is the employee sales data set. But we don't want to remove it into here. We want to move it into the other Excel workbook, which is named Dirty Cafe Sale. So we come down here and click on Dirty Cafe Sales. Now, this part is very, very crucial. If you miss this part, you're not able to copy it. Now, this particular create a copy, you must click on it. So once you click on it, you press the OK button. Now, we are now automatically here, Dirty Cafe Sales. Now, before our Dirty Cafe Sale just only has this. Now we have raw data. And ensure that both files are saved. If it's not on automatic save, because I have my auto save here. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please like, subscribe, and share.